So, getting old and being on your knees all day long doesn't help them. I'm in bloody lot of pain at the moment, so can't afford knee pads. I'm a poor plumber, but come up with a new way. So I'm just fitting this new column rad at the moment, and it comes with nice bubble wrap. These are going to be my new knee pads. Let me show you. So I've cut myself some bubble wrap. And all I'm going to do is just fold it up. Like so. Yeah. Fold it again. And fold it in half. It's really difficult to film this. Bear with me. Knee pads. Yeah, so I've done this side already. I don't know if you can see on there. Look at them. They pop every now and then. They do the job. Let me just angle that so you can see that. Pop them in your work trousers. There you have it. Whoops. Knee pads. Look at that. Perfect. Actually better than my proper ones. There you go. Bit of a life hack. Use some bubble wrap or some whatever it is, wrapping. It's all about recycling these days, isn't it? Anyway, let's get on with the rad.